Did you know that plastic waste is the main source of marine pollution? It is estimated that 200 million tons of plastic debris of all shapes and sizes are floating in all 5 ocean gyres, which are large rotating ocean currents. The North Pacific Gyre is the largest and is known as the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. It is a combination of the West Pacific Gyre from Japan to Hawaii and the East Pacific Gyre from Hawaii to California, which is twice the size of Texas. That's a lot of plastic.
8 years ago, I visited Oahu Island on the windward side, east side of Oahu, and I stayed at Bellows Beach Park. I didn't know about the Great Pacific Garbage Patch then, and the beach was beautiful, as you can see. I walked up and down the beach looking for seashells. I found a lot of broken up bits of plastic, and I'd like to share them with you. At first, I thought they were busted up sand toys, but then I found out later that they were actually part of the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. Mostly they're blue and green, and I did find one little pink piece, which are a favorite among the seabirds and fish. They mistake them for their favorite food, which is shrimp and squid. I'm hoping after you watch this video that you'll be encouraged to help clean up this mess on our ocean shores and in the oceans. Thank you.
Plastic was designed to last forever. Plastic is not biodegradable. Did you know that every plastic molecule that was created is still somewhere on Earth today? Plastics are photodegradable. That means UV light from the sun breaks up the plastic into tiny pieces called microplastics. 90% of our plastic in our oceans are smaller than your fingernail. These microplastics release and absorb toxic chemicals such as DDTs and PCBs. Tiny marine organisms called phytoplankton live on and among these plastic bits and absorb the toxic chemicals. Fish eat phytoplankton and humans eat fish. Toxic chemicals become more concentrated each step up the food chain.
How does plastic pollution affect sea life? Lost fishing nets, called ghost nets, entangle marine life, such as whales, sharks, seals, sea turtles, birds, and other marine life. These same marine animals have mistaken plastic as food. When their stomachs become full of plastic, they die of starvation. Our oceans could be void of life within the next 2 generations if nothing is done to stem the plastic garbage patches. We can help. Don't litter, recycle, volunteer at a coastal or river cleanup in your area, spread the word, and recruit others. We can also support scientists with new ideas and inventions to actually start the cleanup process in our oceans. Boyan Slat is a 19-year-old who has invented a system to clean up the plastic debris floating in all 5 of our ocean gyres. His idea is called the Ocean Cleanup. His design will harness the power of the ocean currents and collect the trash for us. What a great idea!